myself a treat. Sadness tastes like French fries, and anger tastes like wine. They're only grapes, but give them time. Hey, I had a bad night, so I wrapped it up in pie and let it bake. So all my feelings taste like tender flake. Oh joy, my mom just called and she's appalled because my dad don't want a spoon. I'll take that spoon and put some ice cream on my afternoon. But guilty tastes like noodles, and lonely tastes like bread. But toast can make a loyal friend. Yup. Everything is wonderful, yeah. So walk it off, circle the block. The cookies and cream are starting